Unveiling the storm in the kitchen. Unraveling idioms in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English idiom that you might have heard in movies, books, or even in casual conversations. Cooking up a storm. But what does this phrase really mean? Is it about weather? Is it about cooking? Stay tuned as we explore the origins, meanings, and uses of this intriguing expression. Cooking up a storm is an idiom in the English language that paints a vivid picture, but not in the literal sense you might first imagine. It doesn't involve actual weather phenomena in the kitchen. Instead, it means to cook a lot of food with great enthusiasm and skill, often for a particular occasion or a large number of people. It's about creating an impressive array of dishes, showcasing culinary prowess. This phrase can also metaphorically imply doing any activity with great energy and passion, not just limited to cooking. The exact origins of cooking up a storm are a bit hazy, like many idioms. However, it's believed to have emerged from the mid-20th century. The phrase cleverly combines the dynamic energy of a storm with the act of cooking to imply a bustling, active, and intense preparation process. It reflects a scenario where someone is so absorbed in the act of cooking that it's as impactful and memorable as a storm. To fully grasp the essence of this idiom, let's look at some examples. 1. For the family reunion, Grandma was in the kitchen all day, cooking up a storm. 2. Before the holiday season, many restaurants are cooking up a storm to prepare for the festive rush. 3. When Maria discovered her passion for baking, she spent weekends cooking up a storm, trying out new recipes. These examples showcase how the phrase can be used to describe intense cooking sessions, whether it's for a special occasion, professional necessity, or personal enjoyment. Now that you understand what it means, incorporating cooking up a storm into your conversations can add a playful and vivid element. It's perfect for describing situations involving busy, energetic preparations, not just limited to food. For instance, if you're working hard on a project, you might say, "I've been cooking up a storm in the studio. Can't wait for you to see the results." It's a versatile phrase that adds flavor and color to your language. We hope this video has enlightened you about the idiom, cooking up a storm, and inspired you to use it in your daily conversations and writings. Idioms like these enrich our language, making it more vibrant and expressive. Remember, language is not just about communication. It's an art form that allows us to paint pictures with our words. Thank you for watching, and we hope you continue to explore the beauty of the English language with us. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.